Emma and the Lost Key. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we have a very special story just for you. Let's begin. Emma was a little girl with big dreams. She lived with her parents at the edge of a thick, green forest. Every day after school, Emma would run outside with her backpack still on. She loved to explore the fields, chase butterflies, and imagine she was a brave explorer discovering hidden lands. Emma had long, brown hair, bright blue eyes, and a smile that could light up even the cloudiest day. She loved to wear her favorite yellow rain boots, even when it wasn't raining, because they made her feel ready for any adventure. One sunny afternoon, after a long day at school, Emma went walking by the forest as usual. She picked up small stones and colorful leaves along the way. As she bent down to pick a pink flower, something shiny caught her eye. It was a small golden key. The key was lying half buried under some dry leaves. Emma picked it up carefully. It was beautiful gold, a little worn out, but still shining as if it held a secret. Emma looked around. Where could this key belong? She wondered aloud. She decided to find out. Without thinking twice, she tightened the straps of her backpack, slipped the key into her pocket, and walked towards the deeper part of the forest where she had never been before. The trees grew taller and closer together. The light was dim, but Emma wasn't scared. Birds sang sweet songs from the branches above, and a cool breeze brushed her cheeks. Everything felt magical. As she walked, Emma noticed a strange tree ahead. It was bigger than all the others, and its bark was twisted into beautiful patterns. At the base of the tree, there was something even stranger, a tiny wooden door, just the size of a large book. Emma's heart beat faster. She pulled out the golden key and looked at it. Could it be? She thought. She knelt down and gently pushed the key into the small keyhole. It fit perfectly. Click! The door creaked open. Emma leaned closer and saw a winding staircase leading down into the earth. The steps were carved from roots and stones, and tiny glowing lanterns lit the way. A soft, sweet scent of flowers filled the air. She hesitated for a moment, but curiosity won. Emma took a deep breath and started down the staircase. Step after step, she descended into the unknown. When she reached the bottom, Emma gasped in amazement. She had entered a hidden village. Tiny houses made from mushrooms, flowers, and tree bark surrounded her. Little creatures, no taller than her knee, were running around, laughing and playing. They had leafy clothes, tiny wings, and sparkling eyes. Emma had found the world of the leaf folk. The leaf folk noticed Emma and gathered around her, whispering and pointing. Emma smiled shyly and waved. An old leaf lady with silver hair and a green dress stepped forward. "Welcome, child," she said warmly. "You have found the golden key, something we lost long ago." Emma knelt down to listen closely. "We are the leaf folk," the old lady continued. "Many years ago, our magic was locked away by a dark spell. Only someone with a brave heart and a kind spirit could find the key and unlock our world again. The leaf folk clapped and cheered. Some of them brought out tiny flutes and drums and started playing happy music. Colorful petals fell from the sky like confetti. Emma laughed. She had never felt so happy and special in her life. The leaf lady led Emma to the center of the village where a giant crystal flower stood. It was dull and gray. Our magic is still weak, the leaf lady explained. We need your help one more time. Emma nodded eagerly. Tell me what to do. The leaf lady handed Emma a small watering can made from a seashell. This is the water of hope. Pour it on the crystal flower. Emma took the watering can and climbed onto a small platform. She poured the shining water gently onto the gray flower. At first, nothing happened, but then the crystal flower began to glow. Its gray petals turned bright pink, blue, and gold. Light filled the village, and the leaf folk cheered louder than ever. Flowers bloomed all around, and magic dust sparkled in the air. Tiny streams of rainbow-colored water flowed through the village. The old leaf lady smiled at Emma with tears in her eyes. You have saved us, she said. You have given us hope and magic again. Emma beamed with pride. As a token of their gratitude, the leaf folk gave Emma a special gift, a small glowing stone. It was smooth and warm in her hand. This, said the leaf lady, is the stone of light. Whenever you feel lost, sad, or scared, hold this stone close to your heart. It will guide you. Emma hugged the leaf lady and thanked all the leaf folk. They sang a farewell song, soft and sweet, and sprinkled some sparkling dust on her shoes. The leaf lady whispered, "Close your eyes and think of home." Emma closed her eyes, and when she opened them again, she was standing outside the tree in the forest. The tiny door had disappeared. Only the golden key remained in her hand. Emma smiled. She ran home, excited to tell her parents everything, but when she looked at the key one more time, it slowly melted into the air like mist. It had done its job. From that day on, Emma kept the glowing stone on her bedside table. Whenever she felt lonely or afraid, she would hold the stone, and it would shine warmly, reminding her of the magic world she had saved. She never found the tree again, no matter how many times she searched. But deep in her heart, she knew the leaf folk were still there, dancing under the stars, safe and happy because of her. And Emma, she grew up to be an explorer, just like she had always dreamed, carrying the spirit of adventure and kindness with her wherever she went.